All right, my people. Just a short video here on what's going on in the markets. We seen a new drop from yesterday till today, depending on where in the world you live. It might be from during the day if you're living in the States. But the interesting thing is the price came down exactly as I predicted it in the last video. So I want to go through that. If you haven't seen the last video, watch it because pointed out a level at about 35,500 USD for one Bitcoin, and that's pretty much where we are at now. So let me go through that quick. I'm Jeremy from Free Minds. Welcome to the block. All right, so what we got here, like what I pointed out for y'all last time, was this Fibonacci level, and it's running from this low here all the way to this top here. All right. And what we already pointed out before that was that we are in the middle of the big demand zone from the recent big swing that we had from this bottom here at about 29,000. I don't think a lot of people will forget when we hit 29,000 in July 2021, and after that last big sell-off that we had here. And then we moved all the way up to our all-time high at 69,000, and that's the top for where I'm pulling the Fibonacci levels. And what we then see is we see our demand zone, this red lines here, right? That's the demand zone. Let me take away that Fibonacci so we see things clearer. That's the demand zone. Boom, we're in the middle of it. Very important zone. And as you guys can see, we almost touched the bottom of it. In the meantime, we're also in the very big sweet spot, which I also pointed out. I'm gonna remove this one, and then we look at what this bottom, boom, all the way up to this level here. And that, what it does is it puts the sweet spot exactly where we're at. Very convenient, right? To put in more convenience, we got strong support here that we broke through, as you guys can see, and we are below it now. So everything correlates. We are in the sweet spot, we are in the demand zone, and then if you pull out the Fibonacci from this low to this high, we exactly, let me go to a lower time frame, 4-hourly time frame, we exactly hit 127 extension for Fibonacci. So the 27.2 extension for Fibonacci, that's what we hit. What we're waiting now is just to see what the market does. But a lot is pointing at the market going further down. Why is that? Why is the market so weak right now? It's because this extreme fear in the market. And it's not only because of these drops that has made people fearful. It's because of the situations that have been going through several times. War, inflation, massive inflation. Like the inflation is hitting us hard right now, and it's coming even harder. All the tapering that is done to deal with the inflation. But it looks more and more now that US, probably the EU too, will be forced to push the economy into a recession to avoid hyperinflation. And plus we got new announcements from Russia, this Russia-Ukraine situation. So there's a lot of FUD out there, and there's a lot of fear. There's a lot of fear being pushed into the masses, into the markets, and so people are very fearful. This is the weekend. It's only the crypto markets are open. If the stock markets were open, they'll probably drop like crazy, and we'll see what happens on Monday, tomorrow. But until then, what we can see is, as I said, we just reached this extension level. As you can see, the market respects it very good. Right now, there's no sell, there's no buy, there's just waiting and see how the market will handle this, and we'll probably see that on Monday, because on the weekends there's not much happening, because we got mostly just retail traders pushing the market. Institutions are closed, banks are closed, so there's not as easy to push in a lot of liquidity into the market or pull out a lot of liquidity from the market. So anyways, that's all I had to say. Just a quick recap on before yesterday's video, sorry. And if you haven't seen it, check it out. If you like the content, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below, leave a comment if this is a special video on a topic, on a coin that you want me to break down, that you want me to do. So with that said, I wish you guys a blessed day, trade safe, Peace out.